Hello friends, myself Kodia from LJIET Institutes of Engineering and Technology. So in today's session we start one interesting chapter, that is gyroscope. Here, and in today's session we give some basic introduction of gyroscope. Here, so what is gyroscope, what is the function of gyroscope, and what is the application of gyroscope? So gyroscope is a mechanical device which is used to maintain the orientation of the body. Clear? Gyroscope is device for measuring or maintaining orientation based on the principle of conservation of the angular momentum. Clear? So gyroscope, what is the application of gyroscope? Gyroscope used in the aeroplane, ship. We also see the effect of gyroscope in two-wheeler and four-wheeler. Clear? So gyroscope basically use the concept of angular momentum. Clear? There is a two type of momentum. First one is a linear momentum and second one is the angular momentum. Clear? So first of all we have to understand what is angular momentum. For the understanding angular momentum, you have to understand, first of all you have to understand what is linear momentum. Clear? So what is linear momentum? Linear momentum means it is the product of mass of the body to its linear velocity. Clear? So equation of the linear momentum, that is m into v. Clear? Now we have to discuss about angular momentum. So what is angular momentum and how to find the direction of angular momentum? Clear? So in linear momentum we consider mass of the body, but in angular momentum body in the motion of angular velocity. So we have to consider, instead of mass we have to consider mass moment of inertia, capital I. Clear? In linear momentum we consider linear velocity of the body, but in angular momentum we have to consider angular velocity of the body. Clear? So instead of velocity we have to use angular velocity. So what is the equation of angular momentum? That is I into omega. Instead of mass we have to put capital I, and instead of linear velocity we have to put angular velocity. So equation of the angular velocity or angular momentum, equation of the angular momentum, that is I into omega. Now for the find out the direction of the angular momentum, you have to use right hand thumb rule. Clear? If you put your finger in the direction of rotation, at that time thumb indicate direction of the momentum. Clear? So you see in this figure, if you have to put your finger in clockwise direction, at that time the direction of momentum is in upward direction. If you put your finger in the anti-clockwise direction, at that time the thumb indicate the direction of angular momentum. Clear? So this is the basic concept of the gyroscope. Gyroscope work based on the principle of angular momentum. Clear? Okay. Now working principle of gyroscope. So in gyroscope there is a three axes. First axis for the axis of spin, second axis that is axis of precession, and third axis that is axis of gyroscope. All the axes are right angle to each other like this. Clear? First axis is axis of spin. In axis of spin one rotor is rotated. Second axis, that is vertical axis known as axis of precession, and third axis, that is axis of gyroscope. Clear? Any of the body having one rotor or one rotating disc, that body we can consider as a gyroscopic device. If you change the orientation of the axis of spin, at that time you can visualize the gyroscopic effect. Clear? Okay, so this is the simple working principle of the gyroscope. Now we have to discuss some basic application of gyroscope. First of all, in aeronautics and in aviation. In a remote control flying device like helicopter, some hovercraft, some plane, etc. rely on gyroscope to prevent them from flipping over or going to spin. Clear? So gyroscope also used in the helicopter and in aeroplane. So whenever aeroplane take a left turn or right turn, at that time the gyroscope used for find out the angle of turning, or gyroscope used for prevent them to flipping over in the space. Clear? So this is the simple application of gyroscope in aeroplane. Clear? Okay. Second thing, in spacecraft rely on gyroscope for orientation while in space. Gyroscope also used for the maintaining the altitude of the aeroplane. Clear? Aircraft and aircraft aerofoil rely on gyroscope to account for changing direction of altitude. Clear? So this is the simple example of gyroscope. Whenever you change the direction, whenever you take left turn or right turn, at that time gyroscopic effect is occur. Whenever aeroplane take left turn, at that time the front end of the aeroplane slightly move in upward direction. Whenever aeroplane take a right turn, at that time the front end of the aeroplane try to move in the downward direction. Clear? This is just because of gyroscopic effect. Clear? So gyroscope used in aeroplane for maintain the position of aeroplane in this space. Clear? Okay. Now second application of gyroscope in this ship. Now there is three type of motion occur in the ship. Whenever ship moving on the surface of water, at that time three type of motion occurs in the on the ship. First motion, that is steering motion. So whenever ship take a left turn or right turn, at that time steering motion is occur, and steering motion you can visualize from the top side. Second is a pitching motion. So due to water wave, the cyclic up and down motion of ship, that is a pitching motion of the ship. And third one is a rolling motion. Whenever you visualize ship from the front side, at that time cyclic up and down motion of left and right side of the ship, that is a rolling motion. So gyroscope maintain all the three motion, rolling motion, steering motion and pitching motion, for the stability purpose. So whenever ship move on the water surface, at that time we have to control all the three motion using gyroscope. So gyroscope are used in ship to maintain stability as the effect of gyroscopic couple. Clear? Okay. So this is this figure indicate the pitching motion. Now you have to understand some basic terminology of the ship. Means front end of the ship indicate the bow end or the fore end, and rear end of the ship indicate the stern. Clear? Or aft end. Clear? And one more to terminology you have to remember, that whenever you visualize ship from the rear end, at that time the left hand side portion indicate the port side and right hand side portion indicate the starboard side. Clear? So this is the simple animation for the rolling motion. Whenever you visualize ship from the front side, at that time cyclic up and down motion of port side and starboard side indicate the rolling motion. In rolling motion, the position of axis of spin will not change. Clear? Whenever aeroplane take left turn or right turn, whenever ship take left turn or right turn, at that time the orientation of axis of spin is changed, and because of that gyroscopic effect occurs. But in rolling motion, the position of axis of spin remain constant, so there is no gyroscopic effect occurs during rolling motion. Clear? Okay. One more application of gyroscope in automobile field. So gyroscopic behavior is used in the racing car industry. This because of car engine act just like a big gyroscope, because any of the body having one rotating disc, at that time that body we can consider as a gyroscopic device. So in four-wheeler, at the end of engine one flywheel is there, so flywheel is a one rotating disc, so you can consider as a flywheel as a gyroscopic device. And also all four wheel also consider as a gyroscopic device, because of all four wheel gyroscopic effect also occurs. So whenever car take a left turn or right turn at very high speed, at that time the inner wheel of the car try to lift out because of gyroscopic effect and because of centrifugal force. So gyroscopic device is used to prevent them to flipping over. Clear? So this is the simple example or simple application of gyroscope. Whenever you drive car at very high speed, clear, at that time if you take a left turn, at that time the inner side will try to lift out because of centrifugal force and reactive gyroscopic couple. Clear? So at that time we have to predefine one velocity, one maximum velocity. If you drive car higher speed, then the car will try to flipping over. Clear? So this is the simple application of gyroscope in automobile. Okay. One more application of gyroscope in two-wheeler. So whenever bike take a turn, at that time whenever you visualize from the front end side, at that time the front wheel of the bike make one angle with vertical axis. Clear? That angle indicate the angle of heel. Clear? So in bike, whenever you take left turn or right turn, at that time your bike try to tilt one or make one angle with the vertical axis, but bike will not flip out because of effect of centrifugal force and effect of gyroscope. Clear? So wheel on motorbike act as a gyro couple and make bike easier to balance. Clear? And take its positions to stay up when moving. So in today's session we discuss some basic terminology of gyroscope or some basic application of gyroscope. So gyroscope is one of the interesting device. What is the application of gyroscope? So we discuss in this chapter we have to discuss four types of application of gyroscope. Gyroscopic effect in aeroplane, gyroscopic effect in ship, gyroscopic effect in four-wheeler and gyroscopic effect in two-wheeler. Clear? In aeroplane and ship we have to put actual gyroscope, but in four-wheeler and two-wheeler we can just realize or visualize the effect of gyroscope. Clear? So there is a four type of effect in aeroplane. Whenever aeroplane take left turn or right turn, so there is a four cases. Whenever rotor rotates in anti-clockwise direction and aeroplane take a left turn, whenever rotor rotates in clockwise direction, at that time aeroplane take a left turn or right turn. Clear? So there is a four case we have to discuss in aeroplane. And in ship, there is a three motion: steering motion, pitching motion and rolling motion. So also we have to explain all the motion and we have to understand the working of gyroscope in ship. In four-wheeler we also discuss effect of gyroscope whenever car take a left turn or right turn, or in two-wheeler whenever bike take turn, at that time how gyroscope is balance the bike. Clear? Using the effect of gyroscopic couple and using the effect of centrifugal force. Clear? So this is the simple basic application of the gyroscope. Now in gyroscope, for the understanding the principle of gyroscope, you also understand the meaning of basic fundamental of resultant force. Clear? So whenever any of the body, if you applied force in two direction, at that time the resultant force direction is between applied two force. Clear? Suppose whenever you run at very high speed in straight road, at that time suddenly while someone push you from this side, left hand side or right hand side, at that time your body try to move in the inclined direction. Clear? Because of resultant force, one force for your momentum, that is in straight direction, and while someone push you from this side, at that time exact horizontal force applied. So one force is from the straight direction, another force from the left hand direction. At that time resultant force applied in the inclined direction. Clear? So at that time your body try to move in the inclined direction. So we have to use that concept in this gyroscopic device. So this is the concept for the linear momentum, but we have to use angular momentum concept in the gyroscope, and for the find out the direction of angular momentum we have to use the right hand thumb rule. Clear? So this is the basic application of gyroscope. There is a two types of couple occurs in gyroscope: active gyroscopic couple and reactive gyroscopic couple. Active gyroscopic couple is an imaginary part, but in reactive gyroscopic couple, effect of reactive gyroscopic couple you can see in the body. Means you can see effect of reactive gyroscopic couple in aeroplane, in ship, in two-wheeler or in a 4-wheeler. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental of gyroscope and basic application of the gyroscope. So mainly gyroscope used for the stability purpose or maintain any of the body in space, maintain the position of the body in the space. Clear? Or change the altitude of the aeroplane in the space, or change the orientation of the body in the earth surface or in the water surface. So gyroscope is the most important device. Clear? So in next topic we will derive equation for the gyroscopic couple. Clear? So in today's session we discuss what is gyroscope, what is the function of gyroscope, and what is the application of gyroscope. Okay? So next topic we will discuss in our next lecture.